name is MELVY and I'm from grade 8 Larbridge. First of all, I want to thank everyone for giving me the opportunity and trust for me to run as the president of the Student Council. And in this video, I will share my vision if I'm chosen to be the president. For my vision, I would like to create an environment where all students are not only excelling in academics, but they also have strong morals and good attitudes. Not only that, I want to make CGS a better place for everyone by making sure that every student feels welcome, included, and heard. I'm planning to make fun and meaningful activities that brings everyone together and make school more enjoyable. Additionally, I will make work programs that focuses more on building confidence, training students to have leadership roles, promoting teamwork, and enhancing creativity. Together, we can create an environment where everyone feels supported and empowered to be their best selves. I'm excited for the possibilities of leading us to this goal. Let's make this school year